This is a new beginning. As we prepare to cut the ribbon today, we're opening a new unit as well as opening a door to the future full of possibilities for everyone who goes through it.
Here we go. Come on, cutting.
I want to welcome everybody to the first graduation ever of the Thrive program here at the Bartlett unit, where we are live at Thrive.
It is the very first Thrive graduation here at the unit and in the agency. So getting them off to a great start, getting them out the door. We have 26 graduates. We have 3 going home today, and they're leaving with a career to help them be successful in the world.
As I walked through your classrooms, I saw you preparing resumes, I saw you practicing the interviewing skills, and I saw you on the computers interacting with employers and applying for jobs, seeking employment. That is amazing.
I'll be working as a pipe inspector. There's a lot to learn. I learned that I got on the computer. I was able to research it and take practice tests over at the Thrive. And I think I'm ready to conquer that.
And that to us means everything, because we want them to go back to their community, be successful, and never come back to behind these walls.
Frankie Sanders. Frankie Sanders will be employed at Tuboscope.
The handicap that we have for us leaving prison is gaining gainful job opportunities, and they're taking a chance on us. Really, they are. And for them to take that chance with us, it's amazing. And I know this group here that I'm with, we're gonna set the bar high and we're gonna accomplish those things.
Bring that bell!
Embrace it, hold on to it, take advantage of every opportunity, because the opportunity is gonna be there. It's up to you to use these tools that they give you to your advantage and to be the man that you know that you can be, that society needs right now.